Morning everyone, my name is Manjeet Singh. Today I am presenting a presentation on performance management system. So this is my table of content. First of all, I talk about the introduction, vision and mission, strategy objectives, SOFI goals, relationship management attributes and references. So this is my introduction of my PPT. Tower Insurance offers a general and fire insurance to the New Zealanders and communities. The company aims to provide unparalleled digital first insurance solutions. This Tower Insurance company established in 1869, and the name was on that time is a government life. So Tower Insurance headquarters are in Auckland, New Zealand. So Tower Insurance believes that customers should be offered the best services and meeting their expectations and needs in their utmost priority. So vision of the Tower Insurance: support New Zealanders and getting deep with customers for substantial growth. Mission is to establish high performing general insurance company. Strategy objectives like to deliver high performance customer services, regular updating of system, to focus on operating excellence, precisely pricing risk. SOFI goals, these are the three goals: improvement of human resource skills, improvement of HR skills, increasing organization performance, aid in making high performance insurance company and to achieve their mission. So SOFI goals like overcome language and communication barrier, improve her culture skills, which will help SOFI to understand people with whom she is working. Enhanced communication skills will improve association with customers. Customer satisfaction should be prioritized. Team collaboration. So relationship management attributes. First of all, group behavior approach associated with the behavior of employees with each other at workplace. SOFI make a work with employees with group with the employees with each other. People with same working style or understanding tend to perform efficiently. Main emphasis given on a collaborative work environment and a positive attributes towards each other. So again, relationship management attributes, interpersonal behavior approach, a focus on developing and understanding. People should work in a collaboration, achieve organization goals by applying management psychology, problem solved amongst people at work. Appropriate leadership style given priority and encourage people workplace positively shapes the working environment. These are the references from where I take the material. Thank you.
Thank you. So what are the relationship management attributes that you consider? Because you've been talking about different approaches, but didn't talk about the attributes that you are going to consider?
So I use the group behavior approach, which will help to the SOFI to work at a workplace with different peoples. She motivated, and she also learn same style while they are working with other peoples at work, and the main emphasis on collaborative work environment and a positive attitude towards each other. So this is a interpersonal behavior approach which SOFI used at her work. She learned something, they focused and developing and understanding and make a collaboration with people who are working at a workplace.